What's up everyone? In this video, we're going to be showing you how to change your LinkedIn profile picture. So stick around to the end to get the full guide on how to do this. So currently we're on our LinkedIn profile and here we can see our profile picture. The first thing you need to do is to go over to your profile picture and click on it. And then when the pop-up comes, you have some options to edit, add photo or add frames. We're going to be selecting add photo. Now when you select add photo, you're going to have the option to use your camera or upload a photo. If you'd like to use your camera, this is going to take a live picture of yourself or what is displayed before the camera. You need to make sure that your camera is clear in order to have a clear picture. The other option, of course, is to upload a photo. You're going to upload a photo that you already have on your computer here on LinkedIn. After you've uploaded a photo, you're going to be taken to this page where you can adjust the frame or the size of this picture. So in this case, I'm just going to adjust it to the center. And when you scroll down, you can have some other features such as the filters and adjustment to your picture. You could come over here where you have anyone currently, and when you tap on it, it shows you the visibility of your picture. After that's done, and you are satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and click on Save Photo. So this is how to change your LinkedIn profile picture.